This is TJ Johnson with the Illinois Media School, and we are going to be experiencing the unveiling of the home court for the Windy City Bulls here in beautiful Hoffman Estates at the Sears Center. And I'm going to go see if I can impress some people and maybe get a contract. I mean, y'all can sign me for a 10-day, whatever the case may be. So let's go see if I can get a contract real quick. I have the privilege, the absolute privilege of taking a few moments to talk to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Brad Seymour. Mr. Seymour, how are you, sir?
Hey, doing very well. Thanks for coming out today.
Oh, thank you for having us. You know, it was a very, very awesome, very, very nice, intimate setting. We had, quite a few people here. Everybody absolutely loves having the championship trophies there, getting all 6 trophies here and the Summer League trophy on top of that. That's kind of a big deal.
First time the Summer League trophy has seen its big brothers, so it's really a special moment today to have everybody out here to be able to take photos with them.
Absolutely. Now, you've been doing this for a little more than 20 years, I'd imagine. I think I understood correctly. Yes. So does each opening night or each kind of preview night rank differently to you?
Absolutely. You know, I came over from the baseball side. I was in minor league baseball for 20 plus years, and this is the first time I've been on the basketball side. But really, it was the opportunity to start a new franchise and be really in on the ground floor. It's got us all excited. Myself, our 10-person staff here in Hoffman Estates, but then the Bulls organization as a whole. We're just excited for this new startup opportunity. It gives us all an opportunity to try new things but also create events like this where you invite the community out and just have fun. I mean, and create the memories like I was saying earlier.
With the way the NBA D-League is taking off, I mean, we started off with, 11 teams back in 2002. We've already blossomed to 22. Yeah. Just last year alone, we had 341, I want to say, players called up from the D-League to join NBA teams. 170 of those players stayed on the team through the rest of the season. I mean, the D-League is absolutely booming at this point.
Very much. I mean, to have the resources of the NBA and the individual NBA teams behind us, it's really creating this expansion opportunity. And, we expect in the next 4 to 5 years that all 30 teams will have their own D-League affiliate. Right. It's obviously a nationwide league. A lot of recognition with NBA TV, ESPN agreement as well. Gives us a lot of exposure. So you're seeing the NBA put a lot behind this, and the quality of play really is second to the NBA.
What would you consider, since you spent so much time doing the minors, what would you consider being the reason that you stuck around in the minors so long? I'm sure that somebody's had to try to pull you to the majors at some point, considering your level of success over the 20-plus years. What's been your attraction to staying with the minors?
Honestly, it's everything you see around here. I love the smaller environment. I love the accessibility that we have with our fan base, the ability to do things like you're seeing today, where we have a couple hundred people here shooting hoops, taking pictures with the Bulls championship trophies. I love this smaller environment and just the unique things that we're able to do at this level that you not necessarily can't do at the major league level. So that's always been an attraction to me, and I love being a part of the community and being out and being accessible to everybody as well. So those are the things that have always kept me at the minor league level, and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future.
Just to wrap up, I know you're a busy guy. People are waiting to talk to you all over. I see people trying to wave you down now. One word to describe Windy City Bulls basketball in a nutshell. Go.
One word. Oh, how about I give you 2? Family friendly.
That is absolutely awesome. Mr. Seymour, thank you so much for having us here at this opening preview night. This has been an awesome experience. I'm TJ Johnson with the Illinois Media School. That's a wrap. I don't know if I got a contract signing, though, but we did have an awesome time enjoying the festivities. Got a chance to speak with Brad Seymour, awesome guy, president of operations here for the Windy City Bulls, and it was just an awesome, awesome time. If you guys are not in tune with the Windy City Bulls, you need to get into it. Follow them on Twitter and on Facebook. Go ahead and like their page. And while you're at it, go to the IMS page and like that page as well. Illinois Media School, where dreams come true.